Lakshman Thakur, MBBS, New Darjeeling Mall, Siliguri, Darjeeling. Arthritis and body weight understanding relationship. One important factor that can affect arthritis symptom and joint body weight. Clinically, strict so that excess weight is direct cause in about quarter or diagnose arthritis case. And if you are obese, you are 60% more likely to develop arthritis than those who maintain a healthy body weight. Therefore, maintaining an ideal body weight is very important for joint health and overall well-being. The ideal body weight varies for the each personal based on the factor such as height, age, gender, body composition. However, a BMI between 18.5 and 2024.999 is considered normal according to the new guideline. Overweight is MBI of 25 to 29.9, while obesity is a BMI of 30 or more. Let's try to understand the link between body weight and arthritis. Body weight, excellent joint degeneration, excess body weight, food pressure on weight-bearing joints such as the knee, hip, lower back is increased pressure facilitated the breakdown of cartilage leading to joint degeneration and pain. It also increased the load on the joint. Each additional pound of body weight put about 4 pounds of extra pressure on the knee. This can facilitate cartilage breakdown and increase joint pain. Stiffness, excess weight accelerate the progression of the disease. Carrying excess weight delay the effect of medication prescribed to treat the disease. Eventually, the joint become so damaged that the only treatment opinion is joint replacement surgery. Excess weight is disabling compared with health weight. People with osteoarthritis, obese people with osteoarthritis take more medication, walk more slowly, are less physically active, and are at higher risk of disability. Now the question arises, can losing weight reduce the symptom of arthritis? Studies have shown that even small weight losses can reduce pain, improve joint function, and improve the overall quality of life of people with arthritis. Losing joint 10% of your body weight can reduce arthritis pain by half. It can slow or even stop the progression of the disease. 3. Here are some stretching to help manage weight, reduce joint pain, realistic weight loss goal. Set an initial goal of losing 10% of your body weight. Behavior and physically activity changes. Make changes in your diet, behavior, and physically activity to help loss weight. Engage in the moderate physically activity for 30 minutes or more. Reduce your dietary fat and total calories intake. Weight loss medication for selected patient. BMI greater 30, BMI greater 27 with risk factor. Weight loss medication may only be used as part of comprehensive program under the supervision of physician. Weight maintenance priorities weight maintain after the first 6 months. Weight loss therapy, professionally support and structure structure program. Work with your healthcare provider, dietitian and physiotherapy to develop a comprehensive weight management plan tailored to your need. Consider community based weight management